Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon to all the participants. On behalf of the Aga Khan University, we welcome you all to the first national webinar on COVID-19 and skin. And our university's vision and mission is to promote academic and scholarly activities nationwide. We are pleased today that this activity is arranged in collaboration with the Pakistan Airport Fazaiya Hospital and the Pakistan Association of Dermatologists. We are thankful to Novartis for sponsoring this webinar. Last but not the least, our AKU Derm team. Without their support, this was not possible. I would now invite Dr. Muniza Rizwan, our co-host and collaborator of this event, to give the welcome note and a prize about today's webinar.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. It feels so good to be connected with our Derma fraternity after so many months. I welcome you all on behalf of Pakistan Air Force Hospital, Fazaiya Medical College, Islamabad, and Pakistan Association of Dermatology on today's first national webinar on COVID-19 and skin. I work at Pakistan Air Force Hospital, Islamabad, which is located in the beautiful foothills of Magala, and I'm heading a beautiful, lovely team of young, talented dermatologists. Pakistan Air Force is a dynamic organization, and Pakistan Air Force University Hospital, Islamabad, has always been on the front line of organizing and hosting academic, research, and community awareness activities. Today's seminar is a joint collaborative effort for which I'm thankful to Aga Khan University Hospital, Pakistan Association of Dermatology, Novartis, and mostly all the leading senior dermatologists of the country who have honored us today by their presence as expert panelists. I'm also thankful to all the attendees for giving us their valuable time and taking this webinar to a record attendance of over 600. And let me give you a glance at today's program.
So now let's start the program formally. Our first talk is by Group Captain Muniza Rizwan, who is Associate Professor of Dermatology, Head of the Department, Pakistan Air Force Hospital, Fazaiya Medical College, Islamabad. She is Director, Clinical Training for Undergraduate and Postgraduate Studies of her institute, and an Executive Member, Pakistan Association of Dermatologists, elected second time, a Supervisor, Examiner of CPSP. She will give us an update on cutaneous manifestations of COVID-19. Over to you, Muniza.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in the next 15 to 20 minutes, I will be giving an update on the skin manifestations of COVID-19. So to conclude, COVID-19 is a multi-system disease. It manifests polymorphism on cutaneous level. Morphology of skin eruptions give an insight to the underlying severity of the disease, and dermatological findings should not be overlooked, and we must consider it as signs to either isolate or test our patients. So I thank you all for your attention and hope and pray that all of you stay safe and protected during these challenging times for the whole world. So with this, I'm going to move on to the second presenter for today, which is Dr. Sadia Tabassum. Well, she is a popular academic clinician of Aga Khan University Hospital, who is also holding the appointment of Director Dermatology Residency Program, and she has a great vision for training and research. She is an accredited supervisor and examiner of College of Physicians and Surgeons, Pakistan.
So first of all, I would like to introduce and thank you to our dermatology team, Aga Khan University. I'll try to be as concise as possible. So to conclude, we must communicate with our patients and minimize the risk of exposure. Teleclinics is a very good option so that we minimize the physical visit of the patients to the hospitals. We must discuss the risks and benefits with those patients who do not have any symptoms and they do require the immunosuppressive therapy. So the immunosuppressive medication is based on disease profile and patient's risk.
So our first panelist is
General Ashfaq is there. I would compliment him for all his efforts that I can see in you and many others who are representing him. The way you all have presented and the grip of the knowledge that you have had on your subjects that each one of you conveyed, I must compliment you. This is something that I look up to. And if your teachers look up to you, then you can know that you have gone through the right training and right practice, and you are doing the best that you can in this situation.
With this, we come to an end. On a personal note, I would like to thank our panelists, our speakers, all the people who are attending it for gracing us with their presence. I myself have learned so much from this session, and I hope all of you also found the seminar useful. A special thanks to the organizers for making this webinar go very smoothly. It is definitely much more challenging for all concerned to hold a virtual seminar than a live one, and it is still relatively new for all of us. And so thank you. I'd like to end with a prayer that we come out of this pandemic situation soon and can restart our normal lives and meet each other face to face. Stay safe and stay healthy. Khuda Hafiz, and thank you very much once again.
Very much.
Thank you very much from Karachi.
Thank you very much.